What really causes age spots, and how to fade them naturally? Have you started noticing dark spots on your hands, face, or shoulders, even with all your skincare routines? They're not just a normal sign of aging. They're your skin's warning signal that something deeper is happening. In this video, you'll discover the real science behind age spots, also known as sunspots or liver spots, what truly causes them, how to prevent them, and the natural, dermatologist-approved remedies that help fade them fast. Age spots form when your skin's pigment cells, called melanocytes, produce too much melanin, the pigment that gives color and protects your skin from UV rays. As we age, this control weakens, leading to uneven pigmentation and those stubborn dark patches that show up more often after 50. Today, you'll learn the hidden triggers of age spots, like sun exposure, oxidative stress, and hormonal changes, plus simple, science-backed steps to stop and reverse them naturally for clearer, younger-looking skin. Before we get started, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on. These actions help me to reach more people with nutrition and health tips. Minus 5 major causes of age spots. Number 1. Too much sun exposure. A little sunlight every day is good for you. It boosts vitamin D and helps your body release serotonin, the feel-good hormone. But years of unprotected sun exposure build up. The UV rays from sunlight damage your skin's DNA, causing inflammation and sunburn. As your skin weakens over time, it begins producing extra melanin as a defense mechanism, which eventually turns into those dark spots you see. Later in this video, I'll show you the best way to protect your skin without avoiding the sun completely. Number 2. Low antioxidants in the body. When your skin looks dull, uneven, or pigmented, it's a reflection of what's happening inside. If your diet is full of sugar, processed food, alcohol, seed oils, or if you smoke or vape, your skin is under attack. These habits cause oxidative stress, damaging your cells and triggering excess melanin. Your skin needs powerful antioxidants like glutathione and vitamin C to neutralize free radicals and keep your complexion bright. Vitamin C also protects collagen and elastin, the two proteins that make your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. And don't forget the power of green tea and turmeric. Both contain potent antioxidants that calm inflammation and prevent new pigment from forming at the cellular level. Number 3. Zinc deficiency. Zinc might be one of the most underrated nutrients for glowing skin. It helps your body repair tissue, supports a strong skin barrier, and controls how much melanin your skin produces. You need at least 8 to 11 milligrams of zinc daily, but billions of people are deficient because of refined grains and sugar, which deplete it. Without enough zinc, your skin becomes weaker and more vulnerable to UV damage, inflammation, and pigmentation. Number 4. High insulin and blood sugar. If you're pre-diabetic or diabetic, or you consume too much sugar, listen carefully. High insulin levels in your blood cause the proteins in your skin, collagen and elastin, to become stiff and damaged. This not only accelerates aging, but also increases hyperpigmentation, leading to new brown spots and sometimes dark, leathery patches on the neck or underarms. Balancing your blood sugar is one of the most effective ways to prevent age spots naturally. Number 5. Hormonal imbalance. As you age, your hormones change dramatically, especially during menopause or pregnancy for women, and testosterone decline for men. When estrogen and progesterone drop, your skin's ability to repair itself weakens, leading to uneven melanin production and visible age spots. If you want to learn how to naturally balance hormones, check out my video, 5 Vitamins to Balance Female Hormones. After this one, other common triggers. Certain medications and health conditions can also increase your risk. Long-term inflammation or chronic illness, painkillers like ibuprofen or NSAIDs, diuretics for blood pressure, antibiotics that increase sun sensitivity, anemia or low red blood cell count. Each of these can make your skin thinner and more sensitive to UV light over time. How to reverse and stop aging spots naturally. Now that you know the causes, let's talk about solutions that actually work. Here's what I recommend to fade existing spots and protect your skin long-term. 1. Use brightening serums. Apply a daily serum that contains vitamin C to brighten and even skin tone, Niacinamide to reduce pigmentation, Glycolic Acid to exfoliate and renew cells. Together, these ingredients fade dark spots naturally and promote fresh, radiant skin. 2. Support with zinc and copper. Take a supplement that includes 25 mg zinc glycinate and 1 mg copper glycinate daily. These two minerals work together to balance melanin, strengthen your skin barrier, and protect against sun damage from the inside out. 3. Supercharge your antioxidants. Eat antioxidant-rich foods daily. Bell peppers, cabbage, citrus fruits, and berries for vitamin C. Whole eggs, grass-fed butter, and cheese for retinol vitamin A. 2 Brazil nuts per day for selenium, which boosts glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. And for maximum protection, I recommend red krill oil. It's loaded with astaxanthin, one of the strongest antioxidants on Earth, nearly 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. 4. Smart sun habits. Expose your skin to morning sunlight for no more than 1 hour to get your vitamin D and infrared light benefits. Never, ever let your skin burn. Wearing a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses can also block up to 50% of UV radiation, giving your skin extra protection without limiting your sunlight exposure. If you need to stay outside longer, use a broad-spectrum sunscreen, ideally a natural mineral one without harsh chemicals. 5. Cut out the pro-oxidants. Avoid the main skin-aging culprits: smoking, alcohol, processed seed oils, refined sugar. These accelerate collagen breakdown, inflammation, and pigmentation. Removing them from your lifestyle can literally make your skin start glowing again. 6. Monitor your skin. As you age, always keep an eye on your skin. If you notice new or changing spots, visit a dermatologist for a quick checkup. Prevention is always easier than treatment. Summary: aging spots form when your skin overproduces melanin due to DNA damage caused by UV light, low antioxidants, zinc deficiency, insulin imbalance, and hormonal changes. You can reverse them naturally with the right serums, nutrients, and lifestyle changes. Vitamin C plus niacinamide for brightening. Zinc plus copper for skin repair. Selenium and astaxanthin for antioxidant protection. A clean diet and smart sun habits to prevent new spots. If you found this video helpful, please give a like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss my next health update. You can also uncover the 13 hidden symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women over 40. The subtle signs your body gives when your hormones are out of sync. Learn how to spot them early and bring your hormones back into balance naturally. For all the details, tap on the video titled 13 Hidden Symptoms of Hormonal Imbalance in Women Over 40. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, glowing skin, and endless happiness.